Planning your dream vacation shouldn't drain your bank account. Today, we're diving into the secrets of saving big on Expedia.com, where smart travelers find incredible deals on flights, hotels, and complete vacation packages. Let's start with the basics. The first rule of booking on Expedia is timing. Studies show that booking flights on Sunday can save you up to 15% compared to other days. For hotels, aim to book on Wednesday nights when rates often dip to their lowest points. But timing isn't everything. One of Expedia's most powerful features is bundle booking. By combining your flight and hotel, you can save up to 30% compared to booking them separately. Let's look at an example. A flight to Miami and 3 nights at a beachfront hotel might cost $800 separately, but bundled together, that price could drop to just $600. Now let's talk about Expedia Rewards. It's free to join, and you'll earn points on every booking. These points can be redeemed for future travel, effectively giving you free money to spend on your next adventure. Plus, as you climb the membership tiers from Blue to Silver to Gold, you'll unlock exclusive deals and perks, like room upgrades and VIP access. Here's a pro tip many travelers miss. Use Expedia's Flexible Dates feature. By clicking Show Flexible Dates when searching, you'll see a calendar view of prices. Sometimes shifting your trip by just a day or two can save hundreds of dollars. Don't forget about package deals. Expedia often offers special discounts when you add a rental car to your flight and hotel bundle. These 3-in-1 packages typically offer the biggest savings, sometimes up to 40% off regular prices. Finally, always check the Deals section on Expedia's homepage. This is where you'll find flash sales, seasonal promotions, and last-minute discounts that could make your dream vacation suddenly affordable. Remember, the key to maximizing your savings on Expedia is being flexible, patient, and strategic. Start planning your next adventure today and watch your travel dollars stretch further than ever before. Check the link in the description.